Hey, what a great.
Throw it to Grandpa.
Look at that. Wow. Whoa.
Uh-oh. Well, you gotta throw it to Grandpa. Yay!
There we go.
You got it.
There we go.
Okay, Grandpa's gonna throw it to you.
Get the
Zoe.
ball.
Go get the ball.
Catch the ball. Catch it. Throw it to Grandpa.
Hey, look at that. Look at that.
Almost.
Oh.
You almost got it. I'll be right there. Good. Grandpa, you're good. There you go.
Throw it to Grandpa.
Throw the ball to Grandpa. He wants to get it.
Come on, add away.
Yeah, look, he
away.
did. He
Would
got
you like
it.
another one like that?
Here, come here, Grandpa. Let me take this paper so you don't fall down. It's a picture.
Zoe, throw it to Grandpa.
Homework for Grandpa.
Throw the ball to Grandpa.
Yeah, this-
Throw the ball to Grandpa.
Oh,
Huh?
I'm not there right now.
Uh-oh.
Hey. Look at this.